Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are fine, so your families. Today we will explain how to deal with an object inside the Word program. In the previous video we explain how to open the Word program, how to type on the Word program, and how to format what you typed, and how to insert a picture inside the Word program. Okay, today we will add for your document a new feature, like how to insert header and footer part. This is the header and this is the footer. How to insert table, and how to resize this table, and how to delete picture. Let's start. When we type, on the first we must choose the direction that we want to type from it. If I type in English language, I start from left side. If I want to type in Arabic language, I started from the right side. Okay, then I put my address inside the center paragraph, or the alignment of the center, because this is my address. Okay, if I want to take all this paragraph, like numbering, or to adding bullets or numbering, we just highlight the line that you want, and then go to bullets or numbering and choose the shape that you want. And we have another. Okay, for example, we can use this for bulleting, and we can have this numbering, or this numbering, or this numbering. Any something that you want, you can add it inside the Word document. So today we are using how to format the Word document itself. Okay, number one, we use bullets and the numbering. The next step, how to insert header and footer. How to use the insert menu. Press on insert, then go to header, and from the header we see many of styles that you can type on it. Okay, for example, I choose this header. Okay, and I choose in the left side to add date and time. Okay, so go to date and time and choose what you want from date and time, like you prefer. Okay, so go to, for example, I want my date starting from the month and day and year. Okay, so press on it, click OK. Okay, press enter key to add date, time, and press on time. Press on the time or the shape of the time that you want, and OK. In the middle, I want to type grade 7 and 8. I want to type any word, any number that you want. It's up to you. Okay, so I want to type here my name, HEBA, and close header. So you can see the date and time in the left side. In the middle you can see grade 7 and 8, and in the right side you can see HEBA. Okay, this is how to start or how to insert header and footer. Let's insert footer. Go to insert tab, choose footer, and from footer you can choose any type of footer that you want. For example, I want this footer. Okay, here I want to made by HEBA. You can insert any font that you want. Okay, and the next side or the right side we can see the page number. Okay, so close the header and footer, and you can see our header and our footer. Okay, you can see the header and you can see the footer. To delete the table, press on it, right click from the right click from the mouse and delete. Okay, if you want to delete any picture, chart, image, table, any object that you want to delete it, just press on it, use the delete from the keyboard, or right click or press on it, right click and choose delete. Sorry, I have a problem. Delete. Okay, we have two ways to delete. You just press on the object that you want to delete it, like a picture. Just press on it and use delete from the keyboard. If I had a table and I want to delete it, just press on the control box, then all the table are highlighted, right click, choose delete table. Okay, this is for how to deleting. How to insert a table, just go to insert tab, choose tab table. Okay, so you can define how many columns and how many rows that you want, and just press on it. Again, to insert in another way, insert, go to insert, open the drop arrow and go to insert menu and define how many columns and how many rows that you want and press OK. Okay, and if you want to delete any one of those, you just go to the control box and press on it, right click, choose delete table. And this is for how to deleting the table. Okay, how to format this table. How can I add the style or the design itself? We have the style, we have the tab, it's called the design. Okay, from the table tool, you can choose from those design if you want, or you can format your table by yourself and define what is your format. To take my format or to put my format that I wanted, you just click on the table, right click and go to border and shading. From border and shading we can see the style line, the color of line, and the weight of the line. You can choose any line that you want, and you can change the color and the weight. Okay, and press OK. You see, you can format your table by your own self. Again, click on control box, right click, border and shading, choose the style that you want. Okay, choose the color that you want and the weight that you want, and press OK. And this is for how to formatting the table. I think this is so easy. If I type any word like grade 7 and grade 8, okay, I just use both of those columns. Okay, so I wanted to delete this column and this column. How can I delete it? By standing on it and press on the border of the column, then right click, delete column. Again, to delete column, just stand on the border of the column to highlight the column, then right click and delete column. And if I want to delete a row, just stand on the border of the row and right click, delete row. Again, if I want to delete this row, just highlight it and right click and choose delete row. And this is how to format your table. Okay, I see this column is very big to this contain. Okay, so I wanted to resize it. I want to take this border inside the word 7. How can I get it as a professional way? Just go between the line, on the line itself, okay, and the mouse give me the double arrow, then double click. Again, to resize the column, just stop on the border and double click. And this is how can we resize it, the border of the table. If I take this table and go to this words and put this inside or on the words, it's something correct or something wrong? Yes, I hear you. This is something wrong. I can take a position for my table around the words, but in the correct way. So let's go to control box and press right click and choose table properties. From table properties we have alignment and text wrapping. If we choose text wrapping none, so you tell the computer that put my table in the top or in the empty area inside this page. Okay, let's go to see it. Press OK. What happened? It's removed the table in a blanked area or empty area to position the table. If I want to try something else, right click and table properties, choose around the text, then choose from the left side, for example, and press OK. What happened? It's put the table around the text, but in the left side that I want to position my table. Okay, if I wanted to use the merge order, what is the merge order mean? Merge order means that I wanted to deal with those two cells as one cell. Okay, I wanted to merge it. I wanted to delete the border. Okay, so I wanted to tell the computer that both of those two cells are deal with them like one cell. Okay, so highlight the cells and right click and choose merge cell, and you can type any letter that you want, and the computer deal with those words or with this cell like one cell. Okay, so today we know how to insert a table, how to convert text inside the table, how to delete column, how to delete row, how to use a table properties, how to align text or how to use the align text wrapping. Okay, how to merge cell. And if I want to color any cell of those, I just go to inside the cell and stop on the cell, then go to shading, okay, and choose the color that you want. And this is how can we shade or colored the cell. Okay, you can go and choose the color that you want, and this is how to color the cell. Also we know how to add a header and how to add a footer and how to close header and footer. All the steps from page 204 until 233. Okay, it's a style 13 and style 14. I compose all the steps with them. Okay, I hope you enjoy, and bye bye.